Jesus! 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 Jesus!
What's happened?
What is time so?
Now my Baba say I don't start.
Hey! Jesus!
What's happened?
Hey! God!
Relax yourself, he go favor you. Relax your mind, he go favor you.
Yeah! Who they call me? Hello, bro. I don't tell you now. If you want to trade your gift card, they use carding. Carding and then be the best. If you sign up with my invitation code Lil J, they will give you 3,000 naira. Yes. No, you fit download them for Play Store or Apple Store. Anywhere, just download that. If na Play Store or Apple Store, just go there, download that carding. They very fast.
About so I never bring the aircon for the sacrifice.
I never get customers since morning. Now the first customer I get now with this.
Not lie. This is your life play. I give you this night to bring the aircon for the sacrifice. Or else.
Sir, go check that design for us. I make call and come for me.
Get ready.
Boss, the blind say don't disappear.
Disappear!
I don't start for us.
Okay, anyways, check that pot so that the hair purple don't freeze. That's your mind.
That man wey call you don disappear.
Never fall.
You never fall?
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, pack all this hair, maybe put inside the pot.
If you pack my head, what you want in my head?
That's yourself.
What you want in my head?
Now my Baba need more hair.
Your papa need more hair. For my own hair, you wan use me?
Now normal thing.
You wan use me?
I dey just people steady.
You wan use me? Okay, they do people. You wan do am for me?
People know.
You know I don touch so far for this life.
No, nothing go do you.
I don see my go classy barber shop, man barb my hair. You wan use me? You sure? Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
What's happening?
What is time so?
Now my Baba say I don't start.
Hey! Jesus!
What's happening?
Hey! God! Jesus! I beg bring broom and sweep my hair. Bring broom come and sweep my hair.
Baba, that's your mind.
No! Bring broom and
You
sweep
don't
my
do
hair.
like that. I go find you small thing.
Nothing!
Small thing.
You wan use me? You dey tell me say go find me small thing. No worry. You don dey do am for people. Today me I go catch you.
Baba, no shout.
I go let everybody know. You go bring broom and sweep my hair.
No, you don't need to sweep. Now Benz, I just want the hair by.
You wan buy this?
Yes. You don't go for like that, bro. I swear.
They struggle.
You wan use my hair buy Benz? My papa sef no get Benz. My grandfather no get Benz. You wan use my hair buy Benz?
Benz, I don't do suffer.
Blood of Jesus.
No, take the book.
Take this thing away from me.
No.
Take this thing away from me.
Sweep am now.
If you sweep it, take this thing away.
May you help you sweep am.
No.
You say want sweep your hair.
No worry.
Sir?
Take this thing away
Sweep
from
am
me.
now.
Yeah, now you go get shoe.
No,
Now you go get shoe.
Nothing will do you.
Now you go.
No
I
vex.
go
No
back to
vex.
myself.
Nothing will Baba, hide the family. Chairman,
You outside the family. My family no dey well. This morning I just come outside, I never chop. I say make I call your shop, come barber. You be classic barber, you wan use me.
No vex.
Wetin I come tell my family?
I don't suffer, I just want ride Benz.
Me I never suffer.
I don't know.
See me like this. Look me like this now. See me. Wetin you see for my body? You no be suffer.
No vex. I don't know say you don't suffer like
Me I
that.
no go like dry Benz. Me sef I wan dry Benz.
No vex.
I no get time.
No, so I
You
know.
go there, I go cast you.
Help and sweep am first.
No sweep.
Okay. No vex.
Wait, you know what?
No vex.
Eh?
No, I just want me help. She say you want sweep am.
No sweep am. Wetin be this?
No, na the bro wey
Oh,
dey
e be like all these things na dream.
No vex.
It's no go for like
No
this.
vex. No vex. Oh boy. Wait. Oh boy. Wait. See camera.
Which camera? You wan use me?
No man, I prank.
You wan use me?
Na prank.
Which prank?
Na prank. No vex. Na prank. Na
Which prank?
Na prank. See camera.
camera.
Na camera.
The babalawo wey come here nko. What of that babalawo? That babalawo na prank.
Dey inside prank.
Go come, Babalawo come. Na prank. This guy dey shout.
Ah!
Relax your mind. Relax yourself.
I never still trust you. I never still trust
Relax. Go come, Babalawo come now. Go come, Babalawo come. Babalawo here. Na Babalawo.
Na it is na prank bro.
you. Ah!
Omo.
Na prank.
Na prank.
Sit down, man. Ah!
No vex.
When my mind don reach, no.
No vex.
I still say you wan use me.
Na carry camera come see camera. Na camera be that. See
Ah.
camera. No vex.
Sit down, man. I don hear you. Ah!
No vex. No vex. I don't know say you vex.
I don't know say na prank. Ah!
But make I see help am sweep am now.
No worry, no help me sweep am, no help me sweep am.
Na prank.
No, carry that broom go, no help me sweep am, no worry. Ah no use that broom sweep am, no use am.
I mean, you never believe say na prank be
No,
that.
I believe, but that broom, make that broom no touch my head.
I don't hear you. No vex. No vex. No vex. Help am bring back am in pack the hair. No vex.
No, in short, I no wan move back, I never trust you finish. I go keep my hair for my pocket.
No vex.
I go keep am for my
No
pocket.
vex. Na prank.